questions? Spreadsheets. So we talked about document, which is like the Word document. I'm not going even into the features of what you can do with the documents. Since you've used Word, a lot of things are similar. So let's look at a spreadsheet. And there's only one feature that I would like to emphasize with the spreadsheets that I really like, actually a couple of features. So you can create a new spreadsheet and rename it. Let's do another test. Test spreadsheet and Google Docs presentation. Okay. You can import data from one spreadsheet into the other, and that's what I use a lot. I mean, as a teacher, do you have to use, when can you use it? You'll have to think of implementation, but here's an example how you can do it easily. And if anybody wants to share, like if they're using this feature or how they can use this feature, go ahead, feel free. So test Google. Okay, so this is our presentation, one of our files. Now I'm going to create another file, another spreadsheet, and say test2. Okay, so I would like to automatically import the data into the spreadsheets from the previous spreadsheet. So there's a function, what was it, import range. Okay, import range. This is our function. Again, this will go on the video, so you don't have to worry about everything that I type. Forget the spreadsheet key. So what you need to do, you need to go back to the previous spreadsheet, and what Google does is they key all of their files. Also, all the files have a unique name, different than your name, obviously, but for the system to recognize, they do have a name, and that's this key. So if you, and key starts from that question mark until this HL, so if you copy that key, again, it starts after key equals, and then put in this function. I would like to. I'm not sure if I needed double quotes or not, but we'll try. And then you need to specify a sheet name. So sheet name meaning it's the name of the sheet that you have. This is sheet 1. So let's rename it for easy. So we have to type only one letter instead of sheet 1. So S is the name of the sheet that I would like to copy. So S, and the cell was A1, and see if that will work. Oh, unknown sheet name. The well, that is the name of the sheet. I mean, you have to separate it. So that's S. Okay, so we have a sheet.
Is there an advantage to using the Google Docs format for a spreadsheet as opposed to creating an Excel document and then just importing it and manipulating it?
Oh, importing it and well, when you import stuff, sometimes it doesn't line up well. So it depends on how you want to start and how you want. Eventually, if you are going to use it in spreadsheet, you have to play. I mean,
I don't think most of us that are not terribly computer literate understand what you're doing with these letters and numbers right now.
I'm recording it.
Okay.
I'm recording it. So when you have a problem, you go back and look at a file that actually works. Let's see. Which files did I have that worked? Okay, Miss Arles's report. Yeah, we'll use hers. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it does have double quotes, and yeah, so it should work. Where's the exclamation point?
Very end, you have S exclamation.
Yeah, that's the spreadsheet name. So that should be. Okay, I don't think I'm going to spend too much time on it.
Do you need quotations around the S?
Do I need quotations around the S? I shouldn't have to. Or if I need quotations, it should be for all. Oh, yes. Good job. Yes. Mr. Bright has the. So this is, I use it with the teachers to, like, personal and sick days. I put it all in one file. Actually, Miss Barnett's put it in one file. And then it automatically imports from one spreadsheet to the other, so it propagates to all of the teachers' files. So I don't have to do it. I mean, I don't have to do anything. So because everything is imported. So that's what I like about this. Okay, spreadsheets is